Yeah, it is January 29th, and I'm gonna start posting trade recap videos because I have started college, so I can't really have a test open TradingView and record on OBS on my laptop. It's not gonna be able to handle it, so I'm gonna try to post trade recaps at the end of the day or at least every other day when I do take these trades, just so I can continue to stay consistent and build a community because I really do enjoy creating YouTube videos, and I kind of like doing this type of stuff. So I'm gonna try to stay consistent with it to build up a community of my own. But let's see. So today we caught a very good trade. Very good patience today. Very good trade. Very good price action. In my opinion, we were just dumping. It was very clear where price wanted to go to. I caught a 1 to 4, 1 to 3.8 if you want to be exact. And today was a crazy day. We had news at 8:30. As you can see at right where is 8:30 right here, we literally had no reaction to the red folder news. It's not really that volatile, but I just wanted to mention that. And despite having no red folder news at all over here during the session, let's see, we dropped like 100 points in one session, which is like unbelievable. Not complaining though, very good, very easy to take advantage of. We had most people probably take multiple setups here. But yeah, it was a beautiful day today, and let me show you why I took this trade. So if I zoom out here, we had a market open and we started a trade below lower, right? So the reason why I took shorts was because, and I knew it was going to be shorts today, was because pre-market, as you can see right here, bottom left, this is pre-market around here. And despite there being like any like volume during pre-market, it was extremely bearish. We had extremely bearish order flow before pre-market, so I know price wanted to, shoot down. So before price wanted to shoot down, I wanted to see price because price was respecting this zone right here. So I wanted to see a close below this zone to take shorts. As you can see, once market open, we kind of just dumped, so there's really no opportunity to like enter. You know what I mean? But once we broke past this key level, I knew that I wanted to wait for price to pull back and take shorts to my next key level down here. Why? Because when you're inside, let's see. So I'm gonna show you right now. Let me show you on a smaller range so it's more visible. So we have these three gray lines, very important. It's the value area high, the value area low, and the PLC, the point of control where the most volume is traded. And this whole area together is called like it's like an area of fair value. So in these areas of fair value, it kind of just means that both sides of the market are participating a lot. There's a lot of transactions on both sides, sellers and buyers, meaning that there's going to be a lot of bounces within this range, a lot of retests, you know what I'm saying? So there's not much longevity for trades. Like just, don't get me wrong, there's still good potential for trades here, but it won't be as trendy. We're going to see more bounces, more short-lived type of trades. But today, you can't see now because obviously the session ended. But today I think around this area, we just closed extremely way past the valley area low, showing me that price wanted to continue in one direction because we broke outside of fair value. The value area low wasn't moving, showing me that price wanted to continue to just drop down. Because if the value area low was dropping as price was, this was kind of showing me that price wants to trade back into fair value, causing more bounces, slower movement, like not slower movement, but more bounces, less long-lived trades. So because we were breaking down so far, I knew that price wanted to continue in a downtrend. So let me show you why I took this trade. We have this box right here. I took a trade called a low volume node trade. So an example of this would be like not perfect, but you see this area right here. If we zoom in, you see all these rectangles that are protruding outward, showing how much volume is being traded at that price point. You can see that in this zone, it's lacking much more. So that's kind of what I took here. So because you see these blue circles, that means big sellers if it's red, big buyers if it's green. We had a very, very huge seller right here, another big seller here, enter the market's pushing price downward. And because of that, this whole area, now it's not, but this whole area was a low volume node. So I had it marked out, and this blue line right here is the key level I have right here. So because price was just dropping and dropping, we caused, as you can see right here, we caused lots of selling imbalances, stack selling imbalances at that, right? So because of this, I wanted to see price come back into this low volume node to like, fill in this area because there's little transaction there. And what makes this area so strong is that we also have these stack selling imbalances. So I wanted price to come back into this area, fill this area right here. You see we get the fill halfway And then I want it to respect this area, showing me that price wants to continue downward. And then that's exactly what happened. If you check over here, no, yeah, if I pull this back up, that's exactly what happened. We have some very, very strong buying rejecting off of this level over here, which I have marked out is this key level, right? We respected this key level, right? And we saw lots of strong buying entering the markets. But beside this strong buying, as you can see, we have 1K on the delta, but over here we have negative 4K. Right here, negative, negative. We had some very strong selling entering the markets. Right here, we saw strong buying bouncing off at this point. But despite the strong buying, we failed to extend higher and we failed to break past these stack selling imbalances. Because if we broke past these stack selling imbalances, that means these strong buyers weren't being rewarded, putting them underwater, absorbing these orders, so price will want to continue higher. So because we respected this area, I knew price wanted to continue to go down. So I entered shorts with stops above my key level and these stack selling imbalances, targeting my next level. And as you can see, was barely, I don't think I was even in drawdown. Price just went straight to TP. Very easy trade, very easy day. And yeah, I'm gonna try to make more videos like this day by day so I can stay consistent. But yeah, let me know. And also I was thinking about later down the road maybe starting a Discord. So please, I know I only get like, 10 viewers, not even maybe 5 to 10 viewers per video. But if you're not someone I know and you think I should start a Discord or you have any like tips for my videos or you want me to do something differently, let me know. I'm always open to suggestions. I want to build a community. So just let me know if you guys have any suggestions. And yeah, I plan on to continue to post videos. I really enjoy this stuff. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video I post. Whether